In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Moosend subscription. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect, so your cancellation is smooth and unmistakably finalized. First, from your Moosend dashboard, navigate to Settings and then open the Billing section. This is the hub for your plan details, payment method, invoices, and renewal information. Take a moment to look over the current plan you're on and note the renewal date you see there. That context helps you understand whether your cancellation will take effect right away or at the end of your current billing period, depending on how Moosend structures your plan terms. Next, on the billing page, find the option that says Change Plan or Cancel Subscription. In some layouts, cancellation lives under Change Plan, so don't worry if you don't see a standalone cancel button right away. Click the available option to continue. This will take you into the flow where you can adjust your subscription and begin the cancellation process. Now follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Moosend may ask you to choose a reason for leaving or show you a quick summary of what changes when the subscription is canceled. Read the language on these screens carefully. It may indicate whether your account will immediately lose paid features or if it will remain active until the end of the billing cycle. If there's any mention of outstanding charges, proration, or a scheduled end date, make sure you understand that before moving forward. Continue through the prompts until you reach the final confirmation. To finish up, save changes. This final action locks in your cancellation request. Wait for the on-screen confirmation message and keep an eye out for a confirmation email sent to the address associated with your account. That message is your record that the cancellation went through. If you don't see it in a few minutes, refresh the billing page to verify your status and check your spam or promotions folders just in case. A quick recap before we close. You opened Settings and Billing, selected Change Plan or Cancel Subscription, followed the confirmation prompts, and saved your changes. With those steps complete, your Moosend subscription cancellation is set. If you need to revisit your plan later, you can always return to the billing section to review status or choose a different plan that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel confidently and without any surprises.